Good morning, everybody. What a strange world we're living in right now. Goodness me, it's all going on, isn't it? Look, here's my leadership tip of the week, my idea for you this week. It's all around the roles that we have, both at work and at home, and it's having real clarity around that. A backstory. When we were at sea for several years in effective self-isolation, what we discovered is that my wife and I, we had different roles on the boat. We had husband-wife role, but we also had different work roles, different roles on the boat. And it was by having a conversation around who is doing what that we got real clarity on how we could work together more effectively. As many of us are thrust into situations at home now where we're having to live and work with lots of people around us. This is a conversation that I think many people may find helpful right now. And it's simple things, right? Who's doing the meals? Who's doing the cleaning? Who's doing the clearing up? Who is working at what particular times? And these are conversations that many of us have just not had to have in the past because we've had in a separation of work life and home life, but now it's all merged into one place. Then I think it's really helpful to have that conversation. That's what we did when we were at sea, in order to be able to have harmonious relationships, just having that open conversation, who is doing what and when. So just super practical things. And look, I hope everyone is staying well. Look after yourselves, look after those all around you, and take care. You know, we will get through this. There is another side to this, but just take it one day at a time. All right, everyone, take care.